Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to explore trending topics, stay updated with curated content and discover new ideas without searching manually, the Discover tab in Perplexity AI is your go-to feature. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to use the Discover tab in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing first, open Perplexity AI. Okay, so go to perplexity.ai or open the mobile app, log into your account and be ready to explore. Okay, so go to the Discover tab, so look for Discover. Okay, you have to pay the upgrade version if you want to have full options. Okay, so tap or click it, open the section. Okay, now you are in the discovery mode. So browse trending topics. You will see popular searches, trending news, hot topics. So scroll through. Okay, click on a topic. So select anything interesting. Open it, view details and sources, and dive deeper. Explore sources, so check linked articles, references, websites, verify information. Okay, ask follow-up questions. For example, explain this more. Why is this trending? Okay, and continue learning. Okay, you can use it for inspiration, so it's great for content ideas, research topics, learning new things. Okay, switch topics quickly, so just jump between different categories, explore multiple areas. Okay, so that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.